Welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the mail merge to send a personalized mass personalized emails on Google Sheets. So let's just start get the mail merge extension first. So you can go to the extension and tap on get add-ons in here. So after the Google Workspace Marketplace is open, you can just click on search and then just type in mail merge. This one's right here. And there are lots of mail merge apps that you can select it. I'm going to just use one from the QuickLution. So you can easily personalize email, letters, envelopes, and certificates. Also send emails on a Google form submit here. Is this for a Google form only? No. Okay, so let's just start by clicking on this install, continue, and then you can just select your Google account and click on continue again. Then you need to give permissions. Just tap on allow at the bottom. After that, the apps will be installed, the extension. You can just close this first. And then here, let's open the mail merge. You can go to extension, mail merge. Here you can see there are a few options. You can click on start, email tracking, and unsubscribe, mode to label, import Google contacts. Let's just tap on start in here. This is the mail merge. So what you need to do is just select the email account in here from, let's just wait, it's loading. Okay, it will detect your Google account and in here email too, and then you can just click on merge from here. You can create a body template. You can tap on new and then just write this the body email. So for example, morning, please check this file for the marketing. Okay, I'm going to just blah blah blah, and then you can just tap on save and the body template will be saved in here. You can choose the display name and the subject. I'm going to just go with this according to the name of the Google Sheets. Here you can just tap on merge emails. Okay, but if you have a merge emails, you can just merge rows. You can just easily click on the merge emails, but since I don't have, so you can just clear the data films created from the previous merge under the filter rows too, and check that you have at least one email entry. Okay, so you need to click on this. Sorry, you need to add emails in here, and after that you can click on save and merge emails. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.